Hello,
Hello,
everyone.
everyone.
Welcome to Daily Life
Smart
Smart
English.
English.
My name is Alice.
And I am Harry.
Today we will practice how to check your lost luggage after a flight in English.
If this is your first time watching our videos, don't forget to subscribe the channel, like this video, and turn on the notification for future videos.
You've just landed after a long flight. You wait at the baggage carousel, and your luggage never arrives. In moments like this, it's easy to feel stressed or even panicked, especially when you need to explain the problem in English. In this video, you'll listen to a realistic airport conversation about checking lost luggage after a flight and learn how to communicate clearly and calmly. Follow along and practice with me, and in just 10 minutes, you'll feel more confident handling this situation in English. My name is Alice, and today I'll be the passenger. Harry will be the airport staff member helping with lost luggage. This lesson is perfect for background listening. You can listen while working, walking, or relaxing. At the end of the video, we'll practice key sentences together. Before we begin, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us keep creating practical English lessons. Let's get started.
Good afternoon. How may I assist you today?
Good afternoon. I'm really worried because my luggage hasn't arrived and I'm not sure what to do anymore.
I'm sorry to hear that. I can see you're quite stressed. Let's go through this together.
Thank you. I waited at the baggage carousel for a very long time, and everyone else already left.
I understand. That can be very upsetting after a long flight. May I ask which flight you arrived on?
Yes, let me see. I arrived on Flight 327 from Singapore earlier this afternoon.
Thank you. Did you wait until the carousel stopped completely?
Yes, I did. I waited until the very end and checked the area twice, but my suitcase never appeared.
All right. Let's get some details so we can locate it. Could you describe your luggage for me?
Of course. It's a medium-sized suitcase, pink in color, with a floral pattern on the front. There's also a white ribbon tied to the handle and a pink luggage tag with my name on it.
That's very helpful. Do you still have your baggage claim tag?
Yes, I kept it because I was afraid something like this might happen. Here it is.
Perfect. I'll start a missing luggage report right away.
Thank you. I'm really anxious because I packed all my belongings in that suitcase.
I understand. Could you tell me what items were inside?
Yes, all my clothes for the trip, personal items, some documents, and a few gifts.
All right. Just to confirm, were there any valuables or cash inside the luggage?
No, luckily there wasn't any cash inside. I kept my money with me.
That's good to hear. It's always safer to keep cash and valuables in your carry-on.
Yes, I'm really relieved about that.
That's understandable. We'll track your luggage in our system and contact you as soon as we locate it.
How long does it usually take? I'm still quite worried.
In most cases, the luggage is found and delivered within 24 hours.
I hope so. I really need my belongings.
Once it arrives, we'll arrange delivery directly to your hotel.
All right. Thank you for explaining everything so clearly.
You're welcome. Please fill out this form with your contact details, and we'll keep you updated.
I will. Thank you so much for your help.
Of course. We'll do our best to resolve this as quickly as possible.
Now let's practice key sentences from the conversation. Listen carefully, then repeat after me. I'm really worried because my luggage hasn't arrived. I waited at the baggage carousel for a very long time. I arrived on Flight 327 from Singapore earlier this afternoon. I waited until the very end and checked the area twice. It's a medium-sized suitcase, pink in color, with a floral pattern on the front. I'm really anxious because I packed all my belongings in that suitcase. It's always safer to keep cash and valuables in your carry-on. In most cases, the luggage is found and delivered within 24 hours. Great work! These sentences will help you stay calm and communicate clearly when your luggage is delayed or missing. Try shadowing them again later today while doing something else. See you in the next lesson!